The rich man, the poor man, the beggar man, or thief are not different minds, but different arrangements of the same mind. Then he gives an example of what he means by this. Okay, a piece of steel, when magnetized, differs not in substance. Both of them are steel. One's magnetic, one's not. Why are these two substances? They're both steel. One is a magnet, one's not. How does that happen? Differs not in substance from its demagnetized state, but in the arrangement and order of its molecules internally, not externally, subjectively, internal. A single electron revolving in a specified orbit constitutes the unit of magnetism. This one, it's magnetized. When a piece of steel or anything else is demagnetized, that revolving electron going on here have not stopped. That's this one. Therefore, the magnetism has not gone out of existence. It's not being created. It's still there. The possibility is there, but it's different internally. I hope you got that. The possibility is there, but the internal is different. There's only a rearrangement of the particles so that they produce no outside or perceivable effect in this demagnetized state. It's the rearrangement of the particles within. When particles are arranged at random, mixed up in all directions, the substance is said to be demagnetized. But when particles are marshaled in ranks, ordered, arranged in a different way, and they all face one direction, that substance becomes a magnet. They change the arrangement of the electrons into one direction, and bang, it becomes magnetized. The possibility was always there. We had to change what was going on within. Magnetism is not generated. It's not created. It's displayed. You can't see it. Two pieces of steel, you don't know which one's magnetized or not unless you start to, bring other metal objects around and different things. You can't see my mind. You can see me physically. I can't see your minds, but I can see you physically. We're arranged in human bodies, but the arrangements of what's going on within is completely different. Therefore, health, wealth, beauty, and genius are not created. Say this one right here, remember the demagnetized state. This is lack and just not so good, ill health, and everything else. And over here is health, wealth, beauty, and genius. Okay? It's not created. The possibility is already there. This one, they are only manifested by the arrangement of your minds. This one's arranged differently. But if you looked at them from objective experience and looked at them physically, they're the same. It's the rearrangement of this one that makes it health, wealth, beauty, and everything else. What is it? It's the concept of yourself. The importance of this in your daily life should be immediately apparent. Okay. Hopefully my hands jiggling around helped you just kind of separate the two ideas here. Okay. Maybe it didn't. I don't know. But okay. The possibility is already there for you to have the most extreme wealth, the most extreme business, the most healthiest person on the face of the planet, the beauty, the love, everything that you want. The possibility is already there. It's already within. It's the rearrangement of your consciousness, which is the concept of yourself. The concept of yourself is the arrangement of your mind. The arrangement of your mind is what you believe and consent to as true. You've heard that before. You read Think and Grow Rich. He says the same thing. Thinking into results. What I believe and think about into new results. Lesson 5. Remember many of you are in lesson 5, thinking into results, the actual lesson. Okay. Remember the little circle. It says you think about what you want. Pay attention to your desires and imagination. Stop getting emotionally involved with what's going on around you and get emotionally involved and intense about what you want. You start to have your mind be dominated by the rearrangement of the possibility of you having the most health, biggest business in the world, whatever it is. Hallelujah. Okay. And then like Bob goes, he goes, whoa, right? And he does a little hand gesture way up, and then you're going to make a quantum leap going upward. But you got to be intense about it. You got to say, I'm going to keep my mind focused on where I want to be. I don't care about anything else. And you're the only one that can do it. I'm the only one that can do it for me. Unless you keep falling to what's going on around you and the money that you have and the bills that you have and the business that you have and the enthusiasm for what is, If you keep feeling that way, it's just going to keep replicating, because the arrangement of your mind and the concept you believe and consent to is true is you're the person that always suffers. It's not true. Most of you are not on, or in this call, are not in that situation, but some of you that are trying to get this a little bit going a little bit faster, okay, you are internally believing and consenting that you're the one that doesn't have as fast progress. It's not true. It's never been true. On the other hand, okay, the people that are kicking ass, things are happening left and right. Some of you are getting to 50 grants per month now, right? And you made miraculous changes. Things are fabulous. Okay, things are happening. What did you do? You rearranged everything in your mind. You started to believe and consent that you are the one to earn 50 grand per month. Some of you are well above that now. It's not by luck. You started to believe and say, I am the one for this. And when it became an expectation with the belief, bang, it's there. It really is that simple. Easy to do? Actually, it's not that hard to do if you keep being persistent every day and doing the work that you need to do in this program. When it's hard, it's when you stop studying. It's when you stop coming to the calls. It's when you stop participating in the Facebook group. That's when it becomes hard, because you lose momentum. When you're on the momentum, that means you gotta, like when I have a great day, I try and pour it on even more that same day. I don't let off the gas, because I know momentum just gonna keep building faster. Whereas most people will just celebrate for like 3 weeks, they had a record month, and their momentum's gone, and then they're getting the momentum up, and then momentum down, and momentum up. Just keep studying every day. You keep going. All right, I'm giving a ton of stuff. I'm just throwing a lot of words at you here. Whew. Let's take a little break here.